Hi, I'm Jake, and now I'll show you how I've created this movie trailer template inside of Adobe After Effects without using any paid plugins. First of all, I've typed my text and chose the Russo 1 font. Then I've made all characters 3D and added two types of animation. One of them is rotation, the other one is tracking. To create some space for logo, I literally added a few spaces between words, imported logo, and added scaling down animation to get this look. To create a 3D feel to this look, I've applied inner glow effect for one composition, then created another composition with an image which will illuminate my letters, and added the CC glass effect and set matte effect. With the motion tile effect, I created an animation of fire going across our text. By tweaking a few properties of the CC glass effect, I've refined my edges. Then I've decided to add two lights to add edge light animation, which looked pretty fun, so I've decided to animate them like they going in circle. Also, I've added CC radial blur and curves effect to add a feel of extrusion of our text, which also gives the feel like our titles is a 3D object. Finally, I've added two solids as a bottom and top light, warm and cool with little flickering. Using another solid, I've added a flare in the right top corner with evolution animation. Finally, I've downloaded some free particles footage and colored one of them in sparks colors using curves effect. And this is how I created my own movie trailer title without any plugins. If this overview of the effect is too fast for you or too complicated, check the link in description to my Skillshare page or purchase detailed tutorial on Gumroad. Links are in description. Best part of detailed tutorial is that you get not just a guide on how to make effects, but step-by-step instructions and explanation why we are doing certain things, so you can understand how everything works and use it in your future projects. I recommend you also to check only 12 minutes class if you are a total beginner. It's an easy and fast way to see that you can create VFX, animation and motion graphics with no experience at all. Or if you don't want to purchase a Skillshare subscription, you can just simply purchase any of my detailed tutorials on Gumroad separately. All links are in description to this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's make some fun effects together.